Hey, chickadee! Where are you, chickadees? Oh, wow, there's a lot of them over there. Oh my goodness. What up, YouTube? YouTube, what up? Young lady Queen Bee in the house. We're in Haleiwa Boat Harbor. What up? Checking out the little chickadee, the little birdie chickadees. They all be eating right now. See them little chickadees? They all be feasting out. Yikes. Y'all, we're at the beautiful Boat Harbor in Haleiwa. Just checking it out, checking out the scenery, see what's up. The famous Haleiwa Bridge, still up and roaring. This is the Haleiwa Joe's restaurant. Yup, still making money. Damn, something was crawling on my finger, something about that. So, anyway, we'll be on our way. We're heading to Mokulea, see what's popping out there. So, yeah, here we go. And so we be on our way. So, alrighty. So one last look of Haleiwa Boat Harbor. And yeah, so take a look at my tires, my rims, my sexy, sexy rims. Yeah. Check it out, check it out, check it out. Oh, 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 oh. Oh yeah, my beautiful car, my beautiful car. Ooh, yeah, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah. Alright, alright. Catch you in the bed, young lady B. Young lady Queen Bee signing off, and I catch you in the bed at Mokulea Town. Alright, peace.